We have slowly worked out a system here. Oh, these guys. I don't know where the other two kittens ran off to, but yeah, when I came out, I wasn't expecting Tag to be sitting here waiting to be fed. So I had to dump her a little bit of food. And Sammy was right behind me. I think the other two kittens are under the Connex. I got a possum and another raccoon way down on the other end. Yeah, this one insists on eating up here with us. I got food dumped all over the place at the other end of the Connexes for the other raccoons. This one just has to eat down here with me. Oh, there goes another baby. There it goes. Yep, here we go. Good. Yeah, they'll sneak out here pretty quick. Once Mama's out there, they all come. She's the sketchiest of them all. There's another gray one here somewhere. Once they get big enough, they're gonna head over to Charlie's neighbors. They're gonna be mousers at the barn. But yeah, I want them to be healthy when they go. I'm tossing around whether I'm going to take them up and get them neutered. Yeah, this one here is almost trained. I mean, it eats with the cats. I did spy 2 babies yesterday. We got babies living under the patio, I think. And they are tiny. Yeah, Mama brought them out and showed them where the cat food usually is. I Tag. Where you going there, Tux? See, we got Socks. I think that one's going to be Tux, and the other one's going to be Tails. Tux and Tails.